Hey everyone, it's John here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use animated GIFs with the image function. Let's take a look. So here we have the URL for a GIF image. And if we try and use the image function with this, then what you're going to see is that it shows the image, but that image is not going to be animated. So here we just have a static image for that GIF. Now what we can do is place this over the cells, and you're going to find that that animates the GIF image. So if we right click on the cell and go to picture in cell, there's an option here, place over the cells. And that works. We get a animated GIF, but you're going to notice that that breaks the image function reference. And so we essentially just have a hard-coded image in Excel now. Let's just undo that. So if we right click on this cell again and go to picture in cell, you're going to see that we have this option here to create a reference. And so that's going to be the preferred option. So it does the same thing. We get our animated GIF in a floating image. But you're going to notice that that floating image, if you look up in the formula bar, has a reference to our image function cell. And so this means we can change the image URL, and our image function is going to update, and so is our floating image that's animated. So there you go. That's how you can get animated GIFs with the image function. So unfortunately, it doesn't work in the cell, but it does work as a floating image above the cell. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Excel videos like this one. That's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.